welcome back. Welcome. So we're going to dive straight into today's business. So OMG her hair, you guys are already familiar with this brand if you've been watching my channel for a while. They are like one of the best hair brands I review videos for, and I love all their hairs. They are wigs. So they sent me this wig to review and share with you guys. So let's get right into the unboxing. As usual, I already know most of the things that are going to be in this box because I'm very familiar. Like, I know them to the house. So we have clips, edge brush, comb, wig cap, very essential. The units they sent to me this week, they always send their wigs in this usable, reusable satin bag to help keep your wig safe after you're done installing, and that's so nice. So here is the units we're working with today. This is the detail. This is the 20 inches natural color 180% density silky straight wig. This wig, the hair code is HLW01MWEB, all in capital letters, for those that are interested in checking out this wig after watching this video. So this is a 360 wig, and pretty much the first time I'm trying this kind of wig from OMG her hair, and I'm really looking forward to it. Oh. So guys, here's the unit we're working with today. This is the invisible drawstring fitted glueless 360 HD lace wig, and this is what we're talking about here. This does not have the other drawstring. This is what we're talking about. This is what we're working with today. Lace is HD, and we also have the HD hairline. So guys, here is the drawstring. This is the invisible drawstring, and it's only at the back of the wig. We also have the elastic band, and we have the combs to secure the wig. Here is me trying the wig straight out of the box. I'm just gonna turn and show you guys the whole 360 wig, so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. This lace goes down, like there is enough lace for you, and my wig cap is size medium, so when you're ordering, you should know your wig head, like your wig size, so you can get a size that fits you. So I'm just gonna cut the lace at the back because I can't see my back, so I'm going to cut the lace from the back first before I install the wig. And here is me trying to fix and tighten the elastic band so the wig fits and it's very secured on my hair. I'm also going to use the comb to secure it. Here is the excess lace I had to cut from the back, and I'm just gonna use the clip to hold it so I know and see what I'm doing, because this hair is a lot. The hair is so nice, very soft, and moves like this wig does not stay one place. Anywhere you put your hand, it will go. That's one thing I love about their wigs. Their wigs are like quality wigs. And I'm using the drawstring here to tighten the lace at the back so it's my size. Then I'm gonna use the glue to secure the wig behind, and that's just what I'm doing.
The only one that knows my heart, it's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable. every step of the way. Tell me that you.
So I'm going to do the same thing to the front of my lace. I'm applying the glue on my skin, and I'm going to use my hand dryer to blow dry the glue so it melts easily with my lace and there's no patch and all that, because I really want to wear this wig for a long time and I'm trying to do something that would last for me. And you can see how the lace melts with my skin. This is because this lace is HD, and you can see I'm using the elastic band here to melt the lace. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the clips because I want to straighten this wig, but I feel you can actually curl this wig if you want to, and you can straighten it if you want to. You can see from the video that the wig has some coils and it's not so bad. I think maybe when next I'm going to install this wig, I'll get some curls in it, but for this particular video we're just gonna straighten this wig. So I already had my straightener plugged and I'm going to straighten this wig. Guys, this wig, the density of this wig, OMG, her hair, I really don't know, but their wigs are like very nice. Their hair texture, their hair quality, they have like one of the best wigs I've tried on, and I really do not joke with the brand. Most of you that have bought hairs from them, I'm very sure that you know that they don't send a different hair to you. Even if there's like a review wig, what exactly I have on is the same thing you're going to get when you place your order with them.
Every thought brings me down. Sun still shines. Dry my eyes. Take a breath. Wash my face. Pale and thin. Start again. But I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Oh, can you hear my prayer? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that knows my heart. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. So I will keep swimming till you show up, till you show up. Oh, it hurts every step of the way. Tell me that you have a plan for me. 'Cause I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I want.
And that is it, guys. Look at this hair luxury wig. You can see that I look cute, I look nice, I look very demure. This wig is super soft and the quality is top notch. I really would recommend 100%.
Head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's under.
There is the final look of this unit. The silkiness of this wig. This wig is super silky, 20 inches HD lace, clean bleached hairline. You can see it. You can see how the hairline melts with my skin. You can see how the lace, the HD lace is. Oh my god, you please, where is the lace? Where is it? Where is the lace? So guys, further details of this wig is going to be in my description box below. Kindly check. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know in the comment section. Do you love this unit? Do you think you'll be getting this? This is a 360 wig. I'm going to pack it up so you can see. It's a 360 wig and invisible drawstring fitted glueless wig. Cause guys, this wig is so nice. I can't even believe I installed this wig myself. When I got this in, I was like, are you sure you can do this on my board? If I can do it, baby, you can do it too. So I'm gonna pack this unit up so you guys can see that it's 360. Ooh, nice. Hairline, hairline, hairline. So you can see that it's 360 lace, HD lace wig. You can see it for yourself. This one's not Dempsey. It's happening here, right in front of you. It's happening here, right in front of you. So here is it. Just take a look at that. Look at that. OMG, her hair. This unit is so nice. Thank you so much for sending this wig for us to review. We really appreciate. Pretty Ma's World family members, kindly let me know what you think about this wig. For me, I love it, and I feel since Christmas is around the corner, it's a versatile wig. Is something that you should get, because this unit is nice. It's nice. It's giving luxury. It's giving everything it's supposed to give, and I'm so happy. Let me try something else, because I'm so happy that this wig was sent to me. This wig was, it was shaggy for my hand. I'm going to rock the hell out of this wig. This is my Christmas hair. There's nothing you're telling me. This is my Christmas hair. This is my Christmas wig. I think I should even get one more before you people go and buy it finished. Now I'll not be able to find one. But this unit is very nice, and I would recommend 100%. Like I said earlier, further details on this wig is going to be in my description box down below. Kindly check, click the link to get the discount, click the link to shop. That, like, this link takes you straight to this wig, and I feel this wig is something you should not miss. Hurry, don't walk, run to their website now to get this unit. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you know you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so now. Like and share today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.